Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of jordanofficial.com. So jordanofficial.com is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a wide variety of Air Jordans to sell. As you can see, they have a really high quality pictures being uploaded about the Air Jordans, and they are providing a sort of crazy discount. As you can see, the $481 worth Jordan is they're selling in just $146. So this is also a red flag. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind these fancy images and ads. As you can see, once I try to searching for their contact information, I go to know their physical address, but once I search for it, there isn't any physical address shop that exists at this place. Another concerning thing is that their phone number. Once I try searching for their phone number, I go to know like this phone number has been used by many other different websites as well. So it seems like the common this phone number is just a copy paste which is being used in different scammer website. And once I tried searching for their reviews on the Trustpilot, I got to know they have a 2.8 rating, which is very poor, and the major red flag is that they have rarely 3 reviews, which is also concerning. And another concerning part is that their website was registered very recently in 2025, so which raises concerns about the credibility of this platform. So in conclusion, I would say like you should avoid purchasing different items from this platform because it seems like a scam. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.